This is CBeebies on YouTube. Find even more fun and games for your child at the CBeebies website.
Why not make a funny face magnet out of tinfoil, tissue paper and a magnet? Let's make it! We'll need some things from the doodle drawers. Are you coming? Tinfoil and tissue paper. Some paint. Some glue. And some wool and a black pen. Whoa! We'll also need some googly eyes and a magnet. Now we can find these in an art and craft shop. I'll be back in a tick. I've got them. Here they are. Our googly eyes and the magnet. Now, to make your very own funny face magnet, like this one here, first scrunch up a big ball of tinfoil. Let's get scrunching. There we go. Now we've got ourselves a tinfoil ball. We're going to push down on it so we get a flat bottom. There we go. Our ball has now got a flat bottom, so it can sit down on the table. Now, let's roll 3 small balls of tinfoil, 1 for a nose and 2 for the ears. Here we go. Now let's glue them on with a glue stick. Start with the nose. And now the ears. There. Now let's cover everything in a thick layer of gloopy glue and some ripped up pieces of tissue paper. Now, make sure you cover all of the foil on the front and the back. And then leave it to dry. Now decide who you want your funny face to be and paint it. Now, to make funky hair, we need to cut small pieces of wool like this. Now, you can use whatever colour you like, but I think I'll choose red, yes. Be careful, though, because scissors are sharp. Ooh. When you've got some pieces like that, we need to fold them in half into a sort of loop and glue them behind the ears. And use some smaller pieces of wool for eyebrows. Then add details with a black pen. And stick on some googly eyes. There we go. Now our funny face magnet is nearly finished. We just need to add a magnet, like this. It looks a bit different to the one that I had earlier, but don't worry, it still works and will still stick to anything that's metal, like this metal button here. Very clever. So, let's turn over our funny face and stick it to the back. And when it's dry, your funny face magnet is ready to stick wherever you want, as long as it's made of metal, like this. Very clever indeed. And there are lots of funny face magnets that you can try. Look at this one. It's got spiky hair made out of pipe cleaners. Or how about this old lady with pipe cleaner glasses and white cotton wool hair? You can make whoever you want. Maybe a princess with long hair and a pointy hat. Or even a circus ringmaster with a curly moustache.
Find out when we add new clips and build a playlist especially for your child by subscribing for free to the CBeebies YouTube channel.